With so many exhibitions, what makes the right expo? And what are the right reasons for exhibiting? The right expo will be the one that attracts your target audience. In other words, the visitors that attend the expo have to match your customer profile. I'm not saying 100%, but at least a significant amount. Rather than talking about the right reasons to exhibit, let's discuss the wrong ones. Fear, hype, last-minute booking. So many organizations exhibit because the competition is exhibiting. And if they don't exhibit, what will the competition think and how will they be perceived in the marketplace? Now remember, sometimes organizations can't exhibit simply because there's been a change of plan, priorities and circumstances. So you don't have to exhibit simply because the competition is. Some exhibitions genuinely deliver what they said they would, especially with regards to visitor numbers expected. Others unfortunately fail to do so. One of the things we need to do is to make sure we do our research. Go online, make contact with the event organizer and get the reassurance you need to make sure that the expo is right for you. Yes, booking last minute definitely saves you money. But imagine the opportunity you would get if you had time to plan, prepare and promote the expo. All this you can do if you book early, and it also increases your opportunities of generating a much higher return on investment. To summarize, the right expo will be the one that attracts your target audience. Don't feel pressured in exhibiting because your competition will be there. Do your research to make sure all the facts and figures that have been promoted are delivered. And finally, do book early because it gives you time to plan for the expo. The best thing you can do is actually visit the expo firsthand. Talk to the exhibitors, get their feedback. Talk to the visitors and hear what they have to say. Talk to the event organizer to answer any questions you have. This will all help you make sure you make the right decision whether that expo is right for you in the future. In our next presentation, we'll be looking at the 6 P's of planning. What we need to do as exhibitors to make sure we get the ROI and the success we need.